Don't start learning English until you hear this: I made mistakes that cost me time and progress. There are a few things I wish someone had told me earlier. Tip 1. Don't learn words, learn sentences. Learning single words is useless if you can't use them in a sentence. Always learn them in real phrases. Tip 2. Don't start with grammar. Grammar matters, but not at first. If you focus on rules before listening or speaking, you'll feel stuck and frustrated. Learn with real examples first, grammar will follow. Tip 3. Don't wait until you're perfect to speak. If you're waiting to speak perfect English, you'll wait forever. Start talking from day one. Even if you make mistakes, that's how you learn. Tip 4. Be consistent, even 10 minutes a day matters. Studying for 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Small daily habits lead to real progress. Tip 5. Use one tool at first, don't overwhelm yourself. Don't try 10 apps, 5 YouTube channels, and 3 books at the same time. Start with one tool you like, and stick. These 5 things could save you months of wasted time.